Here, what's going on? It's Joey Sparks. That's Two E's No Why. You hear me? That's Two E's No Why. First and foremost, thank you. Thanks each and every one of you. Anybody who has hit subscribed, those of you who saw me over at Black Pegasus Channel and were sent over here and hit subscribe. Um, uh, I just thank you. I can't thank him enough. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm truly, truly, truly humbled to the core, to the very fiber. I am thankful and appreciative. I was really ambitious when this all started happening. I was like, I'm going to respond to each and every comment. I quickly found out that's almost impossible the way you guys show love. And so I just want you to know, if I don't respond to your comment personally, it does not mean that you are not valued or that you don't have value. I just can't answer them all. I'm just going to jump into the ones that speak the loudest in the moment and then respond to them, and then hopefully see y'all around the bend. So once again, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And big ups to Black Pegasus. That's my brother. I can never thank you enough. And then now my life is just this. Part 1 done, part 2 done, and we're just waiting for the reviewer. soon as YouTube hits me with that, I'll be up and running with some more heart and passion than you ever seen before. Though that's not stopping me in the meantime. I got videos coming out all this week, so make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know you're part of the comment gang, part of the pause gang. People like to pause them videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the rebound. All right, man. Peace.